Hi everyone. Happy National Handloom Day to all of you. So today Divya is in pure Odisha Sambalpuri silk sari. It's so lovely, and yes, this is a sneak peek of few saris, and I have posted a video of these saris. Let me show you these saris. So the video is already posted. Okay, so I'm going to show you these saris in a sneak peek type, so that you can call us through video call. You can book your slot to see all these beautiful ones. I'll just show you what all collection we have. So yeah, let's start with the first one. This is Ajrak with Lambani embroidery. This is on pure tussar. Okay, so we have got two prints in this. One is this one, and we have got another which is in indigo color. So see how beautiful it is. So these two prints we have in Ajrak, with Lambani embroidery. So if you want to block these saris before the live video, you can call us through video call. Okay, now I'm not opening these saris. If you want to see these saris particularly, take a screenshot and you can call us through video call, so that we can show you these saris clearly. So these are another type which we have, pure tassels. Hi Gita Anand. So these are tassels with Patachitra print and this beautiful kundan work, kundan with kardana. We have got one more beautiful print. This is on tussar. All these prints are tassels. This is a second print in this, and this is a third one in this. This is kalamkari print with this kundan work, beautiful kundan work, exclusively handcrafted. Okay, you can see this. This is beautiful kundan with kardana work. Okay, so we have three prints in this. Coming to tussars, Ajrak with Mukesh work, this Badla Mukesh work. We have got 5 different prints in this. Manideepa ma'am, please do WhatsApp us. So this is one print, first one in Mukesh work. Hi Padma ma'am. Sumna ma'am, please do WhatsApp us. This is second one in Ajrak tassels with exclusive Mukesh work. Lovely print it is. It's a green, organic green color. This is a lovely indigo color, beautiful. Malini ma'am, hi Bindu garu, hi Malini ma'am. This is a lovely tussar, ladies. Just see this beauty. It's pure tussar with exclusive Ajrak with Mukesh work. This is a sneak peek. If you want to see these saris in detail, you can WhatsApp us. The video call slots have to be booked. You have to contact us and you have to book your video call slot. Moving to another lovely Ajrak. Wow, beautiful, Andy. This is amazing tussar. Just see the flow. You can see how flowy it is. It's a pure tussar with Ajrak and this Badla work. This is all handcrafted Mukesh Badla work. Beautiful tussar, Ajrak with Mukesh work. Yeah. So this is another print in that. We have got 5 in Mukesh work along with Ajrak. This is a brick red color, the rustic brick red color, the lovely Mukesh work. So moving to these lovely, wow, see this pretty Parsi, amazing Parsi Gara on pure tussar. Just see this beautiful piece. It's a single piece, ladies, and this has got a Chinese concept. It's a Chinese concept which is absolutely handcrafted. Let me show you the back side. If you want to see the sari in detail, you have to call us through video call. You have to book your video call slot. This is a blue with heavy jal pallu. So many were asking about jal pallu. So this is jal. Okay. This is also in tussar. This is a green with, again, a jal pallu. Let me show you the jal. It's a jal pallu. A pretty jal pallu. Sirisha ma'am, do WhatsApp us, ma'am. I have already shared the WhatsApp link. You can WhatsApp us and you can book your slot, ma'am. Video call slot. So, like many of our clients, they were asking us to see the saris prior to the live video, okay? So that they can pick whatever they want. So in that way, we are planning to take video call session so that you can book your lovely sari before the live. And by the time, generally most of our clients are unable to watch the live when it is going on. So they are asking, this is also a pretty peach color with exclusive Parsis. You can see the back side with a jal pallu. Okay. Wow. Coming to this lovely tussar kotas with exclusive work with all over prints. These are very, very pretty. We have got 3 colors in this. Divya, show all the 3 colors. So this is one more color. See, we have got 3 colors in this. The green and the peach and a off-white color. Let me show you the off-white also. Little. Yeah, see the colors. These are the colors we have in this. These are tussar kotas. It is also 100% silk. It comes with silk mark certification. You can see the handwork here. This is so lovely. Got my beautiful sari. Thanks, Bindu. Thank you, Paramita ma'am. Thank you so much. See this beautiful. We have 3 colors in this prints with exclusive work. Okay. So this is pure tussar silk. It comes with silk mark certification. Kota tussar silk this is. Moving to a new variety which is printed, floral printed tussars, pure tussars with exclusive Gujarati work. This is very, very exclusive. First time I am getting this lovely piece. We have got 2 colors in this. 2 lovely pieces we have. See these 2 prints here. So these are the 2 prints we have. Whatever I am showing in this live, everything is pure tussar. Every sari what you are seeing, every sari will get a silk mark certification. As you all know, we are certified registered vendors from Central Silk Board of India. So we give our saris with silk mark certification. This is kalamkari with Gujarati. So yeah, see this has got tassels also this time. It's a lovely tassels and this is your pallu. So beautiful tussar with Gujarati work and all over kalamkari. This is a single piece only we have. Okay. So moving to another variety which is Pichwai. Wow, this is so lovely. First time I'm getting this one. It's a unique combination. You can see, why don't you mention the price of it? Sorry. Paramita ma'am, this is just a sneak peek ma'am. If you want to buy these saris, book your video call slot ma'am, so that you can pick your saris. Later we're gonna show these saris in live ma'am. As such, today by 3:30 p.m. we're gonna show some beautiful saris in sale. As I have already said, every Saturday it's going to be a sale. So this is just a sneak peek of our new collection, Pichwai with exclusive work. Let me show you this beautiful one. This is very lovely. See this. So this is a dark bottle green color, a very rare color with a green combination. So this is your borders and pallu. We have 2 colors in this. This is Pichwai with handwork, hand ari work. Moving to another one which is very, very, very exclusive. You all know Vidarbha tussar, right? So Vidarbha, I have got Vidarbha tussar with exclusive kalamkari. This is Vidarbha tussar with exclusive Katha stitch. Okay, this is very, very unique and exclusive, ladies, on pure tussar color. You can see the quality of tussar here. This is very exclusive on Vidarbha tussar, the exclusive Katha stitch. And moving to another one which is Odisha tussar with Katha. We have got 2 in this. One is Vidarbha with Katha. The other one is Odisha tussar with Katha. Just see this. It's a real beauty. It's a real beauty and the fabric is on pure tussar. Both has got tussar color only. On this tussar color we have given this lovely Katha stitch. A very pretty Katha stitch. A very exclusive. Those who want to see these saris in detail, you have to book your video call slot. Okay. Moving to another one which is Kalamkari with Mukesh work, guys. This is so amazing. You can see this fabric. It's pure tussar. Such a lovely fabric it is. Wow, this has got indigo. You can see the indigo here. Complete body has got indigo print. It's original indigo, ladies. Just see this. And pallu blouse is kalamkari. And complete sari has got a lovely Mukesh work. See this indigo. This is a very exclusive one. A single piece we have. Only one piece we have. Thank you, Neeru ma'am. Thank you so much. So yeah. Moving to another one, which is a pretty chiku color kalamkari along with cut work. This is just border cut work. This is your pallu. You can see the fabric quality here. This is the original tussar color, ladies. And this has got a very finest, tiny mirror work. You can see the quality here. Just see. Beautiful, isn't it? Book your video call slot, ladies, to see this lovely saris. So this is a beautiful tussar with exclusive kalamkari and then this katha work. See this pretty piece. It's a single piece again. So with this, we have finished our new collection. If anybody wants to see, you can book your slot, video call slot. And by 3:30 p.m. we're gonna show our saris. It's already 3:36. So we're gonna finish this live and we're gonna come with some exclusive sale saris. All our sale collection, exclusive sale collection is coming up, ladies. Just stay tuned. Be on my page. Do follow us. We'll be coming in a short while. Thank you.